A group of Texas physicians is pleading with the governor to repeal his last executive order against vaccine mandates. They say they need those mandates to keep hospitals safe. 6 News reporter Andrew Moore shares their message to the governor and Texas businesses. Andrew?
Leslie, doctors from Houston, Dallas, and Austin told reporters that the vaccine mandate ban was simply politically motivated, and they pushed back some of the arguments against these mandates. They hope that businesses will go as far as actually paying a state fine before they comply with the new order.
COVID-19 has killed more than 67,000 Texans.
3 Texas doctors with the Committee to Protect Healthcare are pushing back against the governor's ban on vaccine mandates and say allowing hospital staff to stay unvaccinated puts patients at risk. Dr. Joanna Schwartz says this requirement is hardly a new concept.
Since medical school and at every stage of my career and every new hospital I've worked at, I've had to be vaccinated for tetanus, hepatitis B, chickenpox.
Of course, new or not, mandates are causing some nurses to quit, and nurses are hard to find right now. But physicians said that's not the top priority.
There's a nursing shortage right now, but the principle of protecting patient safety is paramount.
The governor's order says any entity that refuses to comply and continues their mandate would face the maximum fine available under the state's emergency management laws. However, that law says the fine can't actually exceed $1,000. Dr. Audrey Nath says it may be worth paying to keep hospitals safe.
Sometimes what we do, which is ethically right, may be a little different than what a law states. Crowdsourcing the $1,000, it could be raised very quickly.
The doctors are hoping the issues could be settled by new federal rules from the Biden administration, but those rules still have yet to be released. And we also spoke to a Texas A&M Central Texas law professor about how that potential fine would work. We're told it's actually not clear if companies would be forced to pay that once or multiple times, and it would all depend on how the state tries to prosecute the offense. Leslie?
All right. Thanks, Andrew.